Hello friends, we are going to see how we can install the TypeScript in NPM packages or NPM projects or any kind of NPM related stuff. So let me create a new folder here. Uh, let's name this as example. Okay, now let me open this in Visual Studio Code. Okay, for this you need Notepad, Node module, Node to be installed in your computer. So you can go to google.com and if you type install Node, you can get the Node installation package for your operating system, and you can download and install. So this is the first step. And after installing the Node, then you can see the npm is working. So now I'm going to initialize this project as npm project. So npm init, nasty versions. You can change these based on your needs. So it will give you a package.json file. And then what I'm doing here is npm install, npm install. You do npm install, you'll get the package.json also. So here there will be no dependencies. So now I'm going to install TypeScript here. TypeScript. And it is going to be saved in the okay. So once this is installed, you can see the dependencies TypeScript 5.0.4. Okay, so now I'm going to so TypeScript compiler is the command or tool you can use to compile the TypeScript files to change it to JS files. Okay, so this is a TypeScript compiler. So I'm going to create an index.js file, index.ts file. This is mentioned in main. So index.js. So I'm going to have the index.tx file here, ts file here. Then inside this sample code, console.log, let's have test one. Okay, now I'm going to compile this index.ts file using tsc. So tsc index.ts. So it will give me index.js file equivalent to that. Okay. So now we delete this index.js file. I want to create the I want to convert all the TS files I create. So if I create test.ts, inside this console.log test file. So if I type tsc, my these files will be created. Current now this is not a TypeScript project, so I'm going to initialize this as a TypeScript project. So to initialize this as a TypeScript project, you have to use uh, tsc hyphen anything. So it will give you .ts file. It will give you .ts file. Now you have two ts files here. Now if you type tsc, both the test and the index files will be converted. Okay, so let me delete all this first. Now I want to have all the TS files converted to a specific folder like build folder what we do in all the projects. So for this I have to change the configuration to TypeScript. Sorry, for the change the configuration in tsconfig.json. You have to look output directory. This output directory is the configuration where we can store the converted files. So let me give the name is build, and if I type tsc, it will give you a build folder with the index.js file. Okay, so now let me have a source folder here. Not here, outside of this. So source. Inside this, I'm going to have a new file. So It's going to be in another TypeScript file. So new another .ts, log another. Now yes, you can see here another folder is created inside build, and um, another .js file is created. Okay, so now what I'll do is I want to have only the source folder to be converted. Okay, so in that case, um, I'll use root directory. So the root directory. Now, if you say source only source folder to be converted, then this. There's a problem. We need to include this source folder inside. That includes how when typing tsc. So it includes only the source folder. Inside that you have another .js, and this index.ts is not considered. Okay, so you can have multiple files inside this ts folder. Suppose if you are having in another folder here components, okay, inside this I'll have another folder, another file called component.ts. Component. Now let's delete this. If you type tsc, see another address. It also creates the folder inside the build for sorry source folder. So all the folders and files will be created. Okay, so you can have only one output directory and one root directory. You cannot have multiple root directories, or you cannot have multiple output directories. This is going to be only one. So you have to decide which is the root directory and which is the output directory to be converted. Thank you.